Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing how we can compare date and time. Let me add few dates in column A. Now I want to compare this list of dates with today's date, and if it matches with today's date then it should color it as red. So for that let me first start a subroutine whose name is try. Now let me define a variable. So din rng has range and I and n as integer. Now let me give range to rng. Rng equals to selection. Now let me calculate the total number of dates that I have provided. So rng dot count. Now I will start a for loop for I equals to 1, 2 and I will start if condition rng dot self I dot value equals to date, then it should color that value rng dot self I dot font dot color equals to VB red and if and next I. Now here if condition will check whether the date is same as today's date, and if that condition is true then it will color the text as red. First select this date and now let me run this code and show you. So it is changing the color of date that is there in cell 4,1. Now change the format of date to general format and add decimal part which corresponds to time. So let me change this to general format. Let me first change the color of font to red and now let me add decimal part. So 0.25 now let me change this to date time format. Format this well as date and time. Now if we want to compare dates in such scenario, then we have to make small change in the if condition. So what I have to do is I have to just add int and then run the code. Here int will make the date as integer and then it will compare it with today's date. Now let me run this code and show you. So it is highlighting the cell 4,1. Now if we want to highlight only morning time, then The changes that we have to make in if condition is rng dot cells I dot value minus integer part of rng dot cells I dot value if it is less than 0.5, then it should highlight that date. So first let me make all the dates in black color, and now let me run this code and show you. So it is highlighting first two dates where time is the morning time. So in this video I have discussed how we can compare date and time. Thank you.